Movie nights hit different with our recipe for savory, herbed popcorn flavored with dried spices, Parmesan cheese, and a little Jane and Mary infused can of butter. Start by melting 1 teaspoon of infused butter with 1 1/3 ounces of regular unsalted butter in a skillet over medium heat. Once those melt and start to shimmer, stir in a tablespoon of dried oregano, 2 teaspoons of dried dill, a teaspoon of dried thyme, and half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. Turn off the heat and let the flavors infuse for 10 to 15 minutes. While the butter sits, prepare a half cup of your favorite popcorn kernels according to their package instructions. Transfer the popped kernels to a large paper bag. While the popcorn is still warm, drizzle the herbed butter over the kernels. Seal the bag and shake to coat evenly, then toss in a 1/4 cup of finely grated Parmesan and half a teaspoon of fine sea salt. Shake again to combine, then taste and season with additional salt or red pepper flakes. Now you're ready for action.